This tutorial is about buttons. There was a previous one created, I believe, about 7 years ago. This is going to cover how to create a button, how to create button states, how to attach sound and actions to the button states. I'm going to start by creating a very simple button. If we had something on the stage, we could convert that to a button using this convert to button, but I'm going to start from scratch. Add button. We're in the mode for creating the up state, which is what the user will see when the mouse is not over the button. I'm going to add a rectangle. And the next version will have the ability to center this. Changing the border thickness, border color, adding text, the reason why it came up bold is because I went through this demo previously and the bold stuck. It was remembered. I'm going to change the color. Okay, that's the up state. It's not pretty, but it'll illustrate the point. Now I'm going to create the over state, which is what the user will see when the mouse is over the button. I'm copying the up state. I'm going to change that color. Wrong thing. And the down state, which is what the user will see when he clicks on the button, I'm going to copy the up state and change the color. Going back to the main movie, out of the button editing mode, previewing the button. I'm over the button and I see the over state. I'm clicking on the button and I see the down state. I'm going to attach sound to moving the mouse over the button. So I can do that through the button, the properties for the button on the left, on the right, or I can do it by right-clicking and selecting Edit Button Actions. The next version will say Add Button Actions and Sounds. I'm playing it. I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to attach sound to the down state, clicking on the button.
Dying, you destroyed all.
By the way, this is the only reliable way now to attach audio to the movie as a whole. You used to be able to start audio from a keyframe. For instance, frames, edit actions and sounds, add sound, but that no longer will reliably work, particularly in mobile browsers. And the next version will give a warning here when you attempt to do that. Now I'm going to attach an action to the button. Get rid of that. JavaScript action. I already put the JavaScript in the buffer. This is CreateJS code for adding text to the stage when the user clicks on the button, and it'll say button pressed. But you could have it do any number of things here, or you could add other kinds of actions as well. So we clicked on the button and we're seeing button pressed displayed. And we could reposition that, put that anywhere on the screen we wanted. And as I said, we could use JavaScript to do any number of things. And that's the end of the tutorial.